could kill me. And right now, wake up